Cause of teeth issues is acidosis, okay, of the body, and high acidity in the mouth region. The body will draw calcium from tissue and to buffer these acids, and this will weaken your teeth and recede your gums. So the way to counteract this is to go on 100% fruit diet, is to use herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach and bowels, and also to fix the parathyroid, because the parathyroid is the gland that takes care of calcium utilization. So when the body is using calcium from your teeth and gums and it's not being replaced because of a weak parathyroid, you're going to have issues. And a way to deal with this when you're detoxing, because when you start detoxing and removing lymph in your head region, in your body is going to go into healing crisis, and you might have a worsening of symptoms in the mouth. You know, you might have abscesses, you might bleed in the gums, and your teeth might get worse for a little bit. And this is because, not because of the diet, it's because you are moving lymph in the mouth region, which is what you want. The lymph goes will eventually come out through the kidneys, okay? So you want to also detox the GI tract. The GI tract is where the head sits on, and if it's clogged, the body can't drain acids out. So the GI tract, you can get it clean with the 100% fruit diet and the herbs. You can do enemas and use a GI cleaner, okay? But in the meantime, when you're detoxing and you have issues with your mouth, take a teaspoon of baking soda, or half teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon, okay? It doesn't have to be much, and you're gonna gargle with this 3 times a day, okay? You just put like this and take warm water, not necessarily warm, you can do cold as well, like this, okay? And that's all you need. And you're gonna put it in your mouth and gurgle it. And stir it a bit, and you're gonna gurgle it, okay? 3 times a day. It's gonna keep your mouth alkaline. You can take a pH strip and test the alkalinity of your mouth and see if it's acidic, okay? If it's below 6.8, your mouth is acidic, and you should be using baking soda and water to gurgle with, okay? Very simple.